Okay, so we'll talk about the eyes first. Okay, so after you guys set up like this, okay, so we need to have the eye in here. So how to do it? First thing first, we need to have a join. Alright, so create join. Okay, click anywhere is fine. 随便放不了没有关系的。Okay, and name it left eye join. Alright, after it, find your eyes, find eyeballs. Okay, find your join, isolate them. Okay, the eyes. This one is simple because this one is like perfect of the sphere shape in there. If it's not, later we might need to like find the center of this line and center of this line. Okay, so example first, if I don't have the perfect of circles, what do I mean by perfect of circles? Let's say this one, the eyes, the vertex is somehow like this. And then when they do the center pivot, okay, you can find out right now the pivot is slightly forward already. So this one is not a perfect eyes. We cannot use this one to get the perfect position. If this one is a perfect one, okay, you can just select the eyes, select the models, modify, mesh transform, mesh all, then your join be there. If it's not, how you gonna find back? Very simple. Go to left side or the right side, okay, find your model and your join there, okay, find this in the center line. Select your join, holding X, holding V, okay, the left, the first forward axis first, mesh it, and then upper, match it. So right now you mesh from this side view, then set to front view, again, mesh the right side, okay, mesh the side. Right now will be on the center plate point already. So this is how you mesh it back. Okay, so this is how you guys are putting the joint there. So after it, the joint you parent to the head, 放进头里面罢了. Okay, parent to the head, and then this one we mirror to the right. Okay, find the riggings, skeleton, mirror joint, left to right. Okay, so it'll be there. Alright, so when we do skinning, just select the joint, select the eyeball, skin, my skin. Make sure it's not joint hierarchy, just select the joint. If joint hierarchy, all the joints under it of the center gradient, right, will go inside. So for this situation, we only need to like follow 100% with the eyes. So just go select joint and then apply. Right now, you'll follow 100% already. Alright, then to the right side, okay, join to the models, apply. Right now, you have the rotation for the eyes already. Okay, make sure the rotation is clean for these two joints. Alright, next we need to have controller for the eyes. So now the model is not needed anymore. You just select the joint, isolate, control 1. Now you can see the joint right now in here. Next thing, create a controller for the eyes. Okay, a circle will be fine. Right, this one will be the eye controllers in here. Okay, and then you just name it F-I controller CTRL. Okay, and then group it. Okay, make it a group. And then to get one more, this one, name as the right. Search and replace name. Oops. Okay, left to right for the hierarchy. Okay, so I have the left and right in here. Okay, so next step, create one more controllers in here, name it eye controller, and then group it. Alright, and then now these two put it inside here, 把它放进去. Now that, okay, in middle of it I got like eye controllers, bottom of it I got two controllers in here. I need to like adjust the shape first. Adjust the shape. So eye controllers, okay, control text, we make the shape bigger a little bit. 先调大一点点先. Okay, okay, we can do like this. Do the eye socket for the controllers. Alright, and then these two will be inside. Now that, select this one. Okay, mesh to the head first. Okay, sorry. This one now, snap to it first. Modify, mesh transform, mesh all. Now will be here. The left and right doesn't need. Okay, this one we can clean it. Transfer S we can clean it. And then whole controller, bring out a little bit front. 拉前来一点点罢了. Okay, and then do a rotation for the group. 90 degree. Okay. And then these two controllers, okay, I need to have the world axis. So I will just clean it. Make sure I have the world controllers axis. And then parent back. Okay, left and right is like these two. Select the joint again. Now we match back the eye position there. We can just select this. Alright. Left one, you match this one, the red colors, into here. The right one, you match to here. Now both of them are aiming in this point. And then do the controller shape. Okay. Now we finish. I think this one also match the world 我觉得这个眼睛我也 match 去 world 吧。Sorry this one I match the world. I freeze the rotation here. Freeze rotate. Now will be the world axis. These two parent back. It will be like this. Okay, so in here when I move, both of them will be follow. If I move one, then later I can do the eye follow it. I think I mesh up a little bit bigger, too big already. Make it smaller a little bit. Easier for the selection in the future. Next, select the controller, select the joint. Constraint, aim. Maintain offset, just take it on to make sure it's like aiming in there. Alright, and then second one to here, aim again. Now that when I move, the joint will be following. Okay, we can check out the modeling in here. Okay, so now we can bring the model already. Alright, next thing, this one, the whole controllers just parent to the head. Is it this one? This one is head in. This one doesn't need. 这个不需要的。Okay. The eye control group to the head. So whichever my head move, my eye will be following. In the center of in as well, I can use my eye controller to move it. Okay. If this one the eye is at 2 left already, I don't want. I just want to move one eye, can move like this way. 我们就只动一个眼睛。这个是两个眼睛的 controllers， 这是其中一个的。This one is the one of the eyes to move it. Okay. Alright, so the eyes now is complete. Okay, you can move like this way. Okay, to do the eyes. Okay, so now it be complete. Next is IK, FK controller following. Now that when you move like this way, okay, the whole controller is moving. Some of it, when you move this one, the center of gravity moving, but the arms, some of it is not following in there. In IK form, it's correct, but it's FK, it must following the body. This one is FK already. FK will be in here. Okay, so when I change to IK, this will be like this. This one is correct. 这样子是对的。Okay, because IK, we don't follow with the center of gravity. If you need, then that one I will cover in the rigging tools to do the controller following the center of gravity or not. Okay, so when we do character animation, right? Okay, we'll just moving this controller forward, and then for the next right, we'll just do like this way to make it moving manually. 我们会自己手动去把它做成出来的。Okay, so this one will be like that. Okay, so for the FK, right? You guys just parent it. Let's say this one's the FK controller, which is not following. Just find the upper group in here. Just parent to your center of gravity, then will be works. 就这样子吧，它就会跟着的。等下我拿你的 file 来看看啊。Later I'll take some of the file that is not constrained to it to show you guys. This one is correct. Okay, when you move the center of gravity, okay, the arm will be not following. If I came position, this one is not following. This one is correct. Okay, 这样子是对的。Okay, alright. Okay, controller colors. Right now you can see all the controllers right now is blue colors. It's very hard to like define which one is for what. So you can just select the controllers, find attribute editors in here. Okay, so go to object display, scroll down, you can see drawing overrides in here, enable overrides. Okay, then you can change color in here. Let's say you want the red colors in the center here, just drag to red, then you have the red colors in here. Okay, so wherever you want to change it, okay, just select the controllers, enable overrides, find the colors that you want. Then we change the shape already, the colors. Normally for the center of gradient, this color will be the most obvious to see it. Normally you put in the red colors or either it's like yellow color is fine. Okay, in the centers, all this you put into one colors. Let's say the centers or all into like the tail. Okay, this blue color is fine. Okay, just drag to that colors. Okay, just drag it to the tail. Alright, then left and right we'll find it into different way. Left and right, we normally do green colors and the yellow colors. Sorry, the red colors. Okay, the center one you just put into the blue colors. Okay, do like this. Then all the colors you just put in the green later on the sideways. Okay, so you don't do like whole characters colorful from what colors all you have in here. No. Okay, in center one, important one, got one colors. Not that important, got any other colors. And then for the right side, all is green colors. Okay, the legs also is green colors. For the right side, all is red colors. Okay, so just open up, just take it, then drag to the colors. This one is the left legs, so it will be the green. Okay, all this into green colors. 全部把它放进绿色就好了。Okay, all into green colors. Okay, it's okay. This one you guys just do one time. For the next semester, I'll give you guys a script to change the colors by just clicking colors. This one, because I want you guys to remember where you can like give up the change the colors, so you guys do it manually. So next semesters, I'll give you guys a script, so that one will be more simple to do it. So just want you guys to remember how you like set the colors. Else you guys will be forgot if you have the script there. Okay, if you don't have the script, then you cannot do anymore. So just for you guys to like remember it. So this is how you like change the colors. Alright, next will be the palm skinning. Alright, so this one is the wrist that you have already. So the palm very simple. So for the palm, right, okay, what we're gonna do is we'll need split. Okay, we'll split from the to the fingers. Okay, and the thumb. Okay, so how many you want to split? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rest will be giving to the wrist in here. Okay, so let's do it first. And just make sure that my wrist is perfect first. Okay, in here, the wrist to the elbow, make sure this one is perfect. This one is on the okay. Okay, I make this one nice first. Text in here. Elbow and wrist. Okay, now I'm setting the vertex so I can just move in here. Or if I have too much radius, I want to reduce it. Okay, I can reduce like this way. 0.1. Okay, I can reduce like this way. And color back to it. Alright, and then this two I'll just move it. This two I'll just move it. Okay, this one as well. Okay, if you're lazy, you can just use a component editor in here. Okay, find the smooth skin. Select the first one. Then you can drag like this way. 如果你们懒惰去做的话，你们全部 value 要漂亮的话，这样去调吧。Okay, tweak like this. If you want the perfect value. Think something like this will be works. Alright, next will be here. Okay, the thumb I don't want to give it first. Okay, I will give him the wrist first. Maybe 0.1 first, and then I'll do like this way. Okay, 拇指拿掉。Okay, the thumb is taking already. 拇指拿掉了。Okay, so I find the thumb. In here. Unlock it first. Component again. Okay. 不用紧。没有给到那个 wrist 了。Okay, it doesn't give the wrist anymore. Now I need to like add a little bit. Now I can find in here. Okay. This one just a little bit 一点点就好了，这里就 Okay. So now the wrist is perfect already. Now we only need to focus on the thumb. Alright, select the thumb. Set a keys. Okay. Do once going downwards. Okay. Another once. Open it. Alright, then you guys can start to paint already. Focus on the wrist and the thumb. Okay, I think I take all the first part. Later I'm gonna like split to them. So I isolate them first. Alright, lock inwards. Okay, then you isolate them. Okay, we do on the first part in here first. Okay, basically just move it out, then we'll be fine. Okay, for the thumb. Okay, we can smooth from here. I think can't get it because the other part is taking. Let's move in here. I think this one is on the thumb 02. That's why. Okay, it's on thumb 02 already. Let me put it to 0. Alright, back to it. For the first one. Now can smooth it. When you can't smooth already, go and find back where is the skin that take already. So you help you a lot in here. I think wrist I don't take so much in here. A little bit should be fine. Okay. So now the thumb first joint is done already. I think here this part take too much. 那太多了。Okay. And then going forward, now it's too much. Something until like this way, I think it's enough already. So I will reduce it.太多了。Okay. Until like this way will be done now. Okay. So if you need, then you smooth a little bit more in here. 拿多一点点吧。This one I think will be on thumb 2 already. So 第二节拿掉了这边。Okay. So the first of the fingers will be fine in here. Alright. Then we split to the second one. Okay. The controller can just remove the keys already in here. Then I'll focus on the second one. Okay. Going forward. Okay. And then going sideways a little bit. Okay, isolate again. Now do like this. Index. This one in the center, let's say this one and this one, they are sharing the same edges in here, right? Just put a 0.5. Okay, then put it in here. 0.5吧，等下0.5给这个手指的。The 0 0.5 will be given to these fingers. Okay, so in here you put 0.5 will be fine. You'll be okay. Okay, the rest you just smooth it a little bit, will be fine. 只要你们一点点 smooth 下去就好了。这些也是一点点吧。All the rest on here, just a little bit. Don't take too much. If too much later, your fingers will go up already. Okay, 这个我不要给它多。Okay. Now finger of the first part is done. Okay, then go to the second part. Going downwards. Okay. This one can go out a little bit. Okay. And then check in here. Here is finished. Go to here, middle. Okay. You take another 0.5 in here. Okay, here also. In the center line. It's just pen. 2吧。等下0.5会给这边的。Okay, another 0.5 will give to these fingers. Okay, so you just move out this other place will be fine. Here too much. Alright, that will be done. 这样就好了。Okay, then you go to the next one. Then this key you can remove already. You move to the next. This one go down. This one go up. Okay, now will be in the ring fingers in here. Center 0.5. Here, 0.5 here. Okay, this you just move it up. Okay, check again. Okay, 这样子就好了。Okay, now will be fine. 这样就可以了。Okay, then to the last one. This one going down. This one can go out a little bit. Okay, we can check on here later on. Alright, and then to the pinky. Center 0.5, just pin it. This one smooth a little bit will be fine. 一点点 smooth out. Okay. This one also smooth a little bit. Okay, now finger is done. 先装了，手指也做好了。Oops. Okay, then you select all the fingers again. Then we'll check again in here. Or bring down. Set one key. Okay. Then pen skin. Open up all together. Okay. In here is smooth one. Smooth 多一次爆。Okay, 这里的线比较平均一点点爆。Okay. This one because they share already. If you want to take it back, make sure all of the values are same. Because right now in here this vertex 0.5 into the index, 0.5 into the middles. If you want to take it a little bit back, okay, take a 0.2. Okay. Make sure that later on these are taking 0.4 and these are taking 0.4 later on in there. 你一定要分给他们平均的。OK， 如果你要拿掉的话，你们分进去分平均给他们就可以了。OK， so now your finger will be done. OK, this one I think too much in here. I take back a little bit. 拿回来一点点。OK， so 手指做好了。You press number 3, your finger will be very nice already. Okay, because this one is like you over already, you do the 你们转多它就会这样了。如果没样多的话是 OK 的，好看的。OK。Okay, so in here you guys just go and like smooth it out for the fingers. I talked the fingers already, like last class 有上也讲过噻。然后你们就去分吧啦。Okay, 中间的0.5 0.5 middle 0.5 here 0.1 or maybe 0.2 up to you guys to check it out. In here closer maybe you can take a little bit more. Further away slightly lesser a little bit. Okay, so this is how you guys set skin for the fingers. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, one more thing is the knee skinning. In here, change to FK. Okay, FK 的脚。哦，你的那个没有放到你的 group。所以你要去看你的那个 controller 的时候，你的 controller 没有 clean 干净，没有放0，需要跑掉去了。你要放去你的 group 上面。Okay, so for the knee, same thing. You set one key, then you do the pattern first. So as a demo purpose, I will just clean it up. 没有关系，我做一个 demo 给你看一下啊。So let's say 你的 knee 是已经分到是这样子黑白的。Let's say your knee already change to white, black and white in here, and then when you start to like smooth it 啦，你们开始做 smooth 的时候 ，let's say your knee will be like black and white like this. Make sure you split in the center lines. Find your joint, where is it? Okay, find your joint, where is it? Either you're on this line, or it's like lesser than it. One row of the edges is fine. Okay, you select in here, just like the vertex. Oops. Okay, you guys can do like this. Okay, you can just select multiple of the row of the vertex in here. Go to pen skin. You can click on the smooth here and do like this. 你们要去 smooth 它 but somehow this one give you the outcome is not that much. Okay, then you can adjust from here. 你们有了第一步，你们再来 adjust 就好了。Okay, find your component editors, find your edges, then here you drag. You can smooth one time first to give you roughly the area that you want. Then you click on here. 你们再从这边去调整就好了。这个啦0.5啦啊 ，I take a 0.5 in here, roughly here. Okay, so now you finish the knee. 就这样子罢了。不用了，你的脚不会翻去前面的。我们的脚是不会去前面的。Our knee won't go forward one. 我们的脚去后面罢了。我们的脚去后面罢了，不会去前面的。我做好了。做好就可以了。我们的脚没有去前面。Our knee don't go forward 了 ，else when you break it, there will be different stories already 啦。我们的脚去后面罢了，不会去前面的。OK。